This is called Viva Forever. Play this song at my funeral, with a slow-mo montage of me looking over my shoulder and laughing. Think cheesy TV intro like 21 Jump Street, or Buffy, or the funeral from Love Actually. Wear whatever you want. Comfort is a must. Sequins are optional but encouraged. Dance if you want to. Cry if you need to. Tell stories if you can. Remember me for my Justin Bieber tribute act at the Students' Union. For my Spyro fancy dress. Or for getting us banned from German jazz bars. Remember me for the excellent parties. Or the cuddly evenings in. For cups of tea and mimosas. Remember me for the Spice Girls. Remember me smiling. Remember me forever.